how to watch JioCinema outside India. So if you want to watch JioCinema outside India, then what you need to do is you need to have the application first. So if you don't have the JioCinema application, then it's not possible. But if you already have the application, if you are outside India and if you want to use your JioCinema, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your Play Store and you need to go with search, and under search you need to search for VPN India. Once you search for VPN India, then here you will have all of the VPNs. You can simply choose the India VPN, any VPN that you are comfortable with. And once you search for it, once you tap on it, then you will have the install option. You can install the VPN for India. Once you've installed, you can connect to the VPN, and after that you need to just tap and hold on to your JioCinema application. So in my case, I don't have the application. So for example, I'll just simply choose Instagram as a JioCinema application. So if you have, then you just need to simply tap and hold on to that and then go with the app info of your JioCinema. And after that, tap on storage and cache. And under storage and cache, you need to go with clear storage of your JioCinema. Once you clear your storage and once you clear your cache, then you need to connect to your VPN. Once you've connected, you need to launch your JioCinema and then start watching JioCinema. So that's the only way to watch JioCinema outside India. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.